In this video I'm going to show you how to use the collision interaction within Fieldscapes. What we're going to do is put a sign up to warn people not to walk across this bridge. So the first thing I need to do is from my inventory I'm going to choose a suitable prop, and somewhere down here we've got a warning sign. There it is. Click on the warning sign. If I want to, I could just move this around in world, move it up and down to get it to the right place. You'll also notice that actually this sign does actually follow me around, so it always points towards the avatar as the avatar approaches. What I then want to do is put some interaction on it. So what we're going to do is double click the sign, and I'm going to use the collide interaction. So click on the collide tab, and then I want to add an action to that. We're going to choose a user interface action, and we're going to put a small pop-up on screen to display that. Then drop into the pop-up editor, and we can put our message here: warning, bridge is unsafe, and OK. Just preview the text on that. Happy with that. Save that, and click on OK, and click on Save and Close. So what I can now do is actually just test my piece of work. So going to drop into test mode. And now as I walk up to the sign, you see it triggers the pop-up and I get the message that the bridge is unsafe. And you'll see that if I turn around and go back through the sign, I get the message again. And again, turn around and go back through the sign, and I get the message yet again. So what we're going to do now is we're going to end the trip, and we're going to just change the logic so as to make sure the sign only triggers once. In due course we'll probably use an option here for changing the trigger mode. At the moment we're just going to have to do this manually, but it's quite simple to do. All we're going to do is we're going to add another action, and we're going to choose our warning sign orange as the target for the action, and the action is just going to be tell it to deactivate, and OK, and save that. So now let's run the exercise again. So this time I walk up to the sign, I get my warning message, but now if I turn around and walk through the sign again, then you'll see the message itself doesn't trigger. And finally what we're going to do is just do another change to it. This time we're going to make the sign disappear, so the user only gets one warning. So again, back to my interaction, and I'll just add it as another action. There is actually a combined activate or deactivate and hide option. Sign warning, and choose hide, click on OK, save and close, go into test mode, and walk through the sign. I get the message, but now when I turn around, then you'll see the sign is completely gone. So a very simple introduction, but it shows you how we can use the collision interaction within Fieldscapes. Thank you.